Of course, there was one big thing, that is, like the South African constitution makers, the Indian constitution makers knew clearly what they want, because the freedom struggle had taught the Indians one thing clearly, that they were looking for democratic ideals, that is equality, liberty, fraternity, and therefore it was easy to actually make the constitution on the basis of these liberty, equality and fraternity. The making of the Indian constitution also went step by step. The first in fact that we can remember is in 1928, when Motilal Nehru and 7 other leaders joined hands to frame a kind of constitution for India. Followed by in 1931 at the Karachi session, wherein they said that they are going to have a democratic constitution for India. And in 1935, the Government of India Act, which clearly gave India the vision of the future government. The Constitution of India, which was based on the ideals of the British Constitution. So, we had some things already in mind before we framed the Constitution for free India.